my name is Ashley. Today I picked up plenty berries over here, mulberries. This is from the trees. We have plenty. So what I have to do, I'm going to make concentrated juice so that when you have guests or to your children, you can mix it half and half with water, with ice crushed, and you give them good healthy drink. It's very, very healthy. Now what we have to do is, what we need about 4 cups of, you see I measured it over here. If you want to make with kilos, it's like 1 kilo sugar it needs and 1 kilo berries it needs. So with pound, with the cup, I measured it, it's 4 cups of sugar, and I'm going to measure the berries, how many cups do we need, which is, this is 1 kilo with that I measured it, but in the cup I'm going to put, so we're going to see how many cups it will be for you. Well, this will be, here we go. This is 4 cup, and this is gonna be another, let's see. Here we go. It's gonna be, I can always add, well, I can put 8 cups for this. So let's add some more here, because we can press it, for example. So it will be 8 cups of berries. So what we're gonna do now with this, we're gonna mix them together, berries and the sugar together. Let's take all the sugar. We don't wanna keep this in because that's what the measurement is. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna mix this very well, and then we're gonna keep this in refrigerator for 6 to 7 hours. We want the sugar to be liquid. And then we're gonna make this very delicious drink that I'm gonna show you how we're gonna do it. So this is in Middle East, in Lebanon, in Syria. This is what our grandparents, they will do. They don't let anything go waste. You know, over there, like summer, winter, they have to prepare their summertime. When they have the fruit, they have to prepare this for winter, because we don't have, just like America, we have everything, but over there we don't have any season, any time that we need. So now I'm going to put this in refrigerator for 6 to 7 hours, and then we're going to be back. So I'm going to show you how it's going to be liquid. All right, now that I took it out from the refrigerator, I kept it about half hour outside, and now you can see how it became liquid. Now what we need to do is, we have to put in a pan 4 cups of water, which I measured it here, and I put it in a pan here, and it has to boil, which is now, you will see here, it's boiling. Now that the water is boiling, I'm going to put the jam into the water, and it has to boil together because it's a sugar. They have to cook about 20 to 25 minutes, or until it starts to boil. Once it boils, we're gonna turn it off and let it cool. And now that you see over here, it's done. Now what we have to do is, we're going to put in a double plate. What we're going to do, we're going to strain this in a strainer. You have to have a good cheesecloth, and we're going to empty. We don't want any seeds to go in. So now that it's a little cooler, I'm going to empty this slowly, so we can strain it all the juice. Let me say, I don't want it to pour over. All right, I guess it's in it. And we're gonna take the pulp, we're gonna separate the pulp. All right, we're gonna clean the pan to take all the juices out. And I'm gonna leave like this way, so it can kind of the juice to go down. And then we're gonna squeeze and take all the juice out. So now, there you go. We're gonna make sure all the juices comes out. and it separates the pulp. Now you see how beautiful the liquid is going. All right, I'm gonna leave this like this until it gets dry, like it takes all the juice out. We're gonna squeeze it and then we'll be back. All right, now I'm gonna show you that over here you see the juice which I squeezed over here. Now when I squeeze this, it's still, I have so much, but I decided to leave some because I'm gonna show you what you can do with it. Now for the juice, we will have always clean jar and we're gonna fill it and we're gonna preserve it just the way it is. And then I'm gonna make another video and I'm gonna show you how can we use this juice and so the pulp. This berries, it has two purposes. So now, this is the juice and I'm gonna show you tomorrow how can we use this and we can offer our guests. And here I would love to show the pulp, which I squeeze as much as I can take from it by pushing it and cleaning it with the spoon. But now you'll see over here, we won't throw away this pulp and we will use it as a delicious marmalade jam and you will enjoy it just the way it is, like that. So I hope you'll try this berries recipe. If you have a mulberry tree, don't let them go waste. I have to tell you, every time I take my dogs out for a walk, I see so many trees, white berries, black berries, they all on the ground. It's really sad that people, they don't know what to do with it or it just go for waste. I hope if you get hand of it, pick them up and do good things and enjoy the fruits. God created all those beautiful fruits, food, vegetables for a purpose. For you, for the kids to enjoy it. It's summertime. It's very, very, very refreshing, cool, and enjoyable drink it is. So, I thank you very much for watching. Please go check my other videos. And if you like this, please like and subscribe. And I thank you again. Bye-bye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.